You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
And my hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you're not a fucking jump!
Oh, Chase. Are you locked away? Can you say I love you? Skaya, that is not an I love you.
You want the chicken nuggets?